At Living as a Leader, we describe a great leader as someone who gets results through other people. And in order to do that, as leaders, we need to have an intentional, consistent approach 365 days a year. At Living as a Leader, we have a workshop that's called Maximize Performance 365 days a year. Now, I know you are not with your employees 365 days a year, although it may seem like you are working 365 days a year. So in this workshop, we emphasize a holistic approach for leaders to support the performance of their employees all year long. This is not a workshop about performance management in the traditional sense. In this workshop, we emphasize maximizing performance as a continual leadership responsibility, and we introduce a model that we call the leadership engine. It is a 3-phase cycle for day-to-day management of performance. So let me just briefly share what these 3 phases are. The first phase is defining expectations and goals with your employees. This is critical to your employees' success. There are many leaders who go throughout their entire career never opening up a blank Word document or having a blank piece of paper in front of them and thinking about what are the expectations of my employees. And then they also need to be clear on their goals, those goals that they're working towards. Specifically, we talk about SMART goals. And the second phase in our leadership engine is monitoring performance. And we talk about 4 ways to monitor performance. And then our third phase is intentionally coaching employees throughout the year. Another benefit to this workshop is that we also underscore the importance of employee involvement as a theme and best practice in leading the performance of other people. As leaders, we sometimes feel as if it all lands on our shoulders. And this workshop helps you implement an approach to have the employee self-monitor themselves, which allows them to own more of the responsibility, and it takes a little pressure off you as a leader. And after all, it's their performance anyway. So if you're interested in learning more about this workshop and many of our other offerings, check us out at livingasaleader.com. See you next time.